But yeah, it's going to be important to stay hydrated for next week. So we know what to do with these summertime heat waves, but every once in a while it gets a little bit too hot. So we'll talk about that. But downtown Detroit for today, well, the humidity is not going to be an issue. 56 degrees with the dew point, and that means a relative humidity at 65%. Temperatures at 68, and we're getting some sunshine as well. I will mention now that this cold front is pushed south, it's taking much of the humidity, the chance of rain and storms with it, but we'll still have a stray shower sneaking in here, I believe. That boundary is close enough to us where it could happen. Otherwise, we're expecting a quiet start, numbers in the 60s and the upper 50s, and once again, it's going to be a comfortable day. I did briefly mention the dew point, and here's a look at what these numbers mean for you. When you're in the 50s and the 40s, that's the comfortable range. But once that number goes into the 60s, it turns muggy to just above that. And that will be the summary of next week. When you have that type of humidity, that's really the only difference with a heat wave is that the humidity prevents you from really being able to cool down. It just makes it feel hotter outside. Not the case today, though. 80 degrees for the high temp. That's about spot on average. 76 in Lapeer, even cooler in Port Huron at 68. But the humidity, once again, is not going to be an issue. Therefore, we're allowed to cool off at night. Natural AC with numbers in the upper 40s to low 50s. If you turned on the air conditioner yesterday because of those 90-degree temps, you can open the windows and let some of that refreshing air in. And that's really a summary of what to expect for the weekend. It looks good out there. 80 degrees on Saturday, 86 on Father's Day, and then after that, an early season heat wave is going to set up. For perspective, when you look at the heat index, factoring in the temperature and the humidity, much of next week will feel like the 100-degree range. I think the hottest day will be Wednesday, where it's going to feel like 105 across much of Metro Detroit. So it's a hot one for next week. Prepare for that. In the meantime, enjoy this beautiful weekend.